Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa, and welcome to Fruitmas collaboration. This collaboration is with Lifestyle Designs with Teresa and Design with Emma. You guys, once I went back and I was trying to edit, I noticed that my microphone was not working on this clip. That sucks. That's why I hate using the microphone, and I don't use it that often. But that was so strange because it didn't pick up in this clip, but all the other ones, it worked. I didn't bother with the microphone or nothing. So for some reason, it did not pick up in this clip, but that's okay. So I'm glad we're able to do voiceovers. So yes, welcome to Fruitmas. Fruitmas is a one-day collaboration again with Lifestyle Designs with Teresa and Design with Emma. So here we're going to be using one fruit, multiple fruits, whichever one we decide to use. But today I am going to be using a lemon. I'm using the lemon, so I'm going to create a table styling for you using a lemon pattern. So just go ahead and grab your drink, grab your snack, sit back, relax as I create this tablescape for you. And also too, I am doing it on the patio. Yes, we are decorating the patio table for 4 on the patio. So yeah, you guys, go ahead and enjoy. And if this is content that you enjoy, just keep on watching. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up and comments down. So we're going to start off by using this blue and white striped table runner. I think I'm going to put it diagonal. We're going to just let it fall like so. And y'all, I'm on the patio, so neighbors are doing their lawn. So you're going to hear that. Let's just turn it this way and let it drop and hang. So this is a blue and white striped table runner, and the colors I'm going to be using is the blue and white, the yellow of course for the lemon, and yeah. We also got these beautiful round placemats, and the placemats and the runner came from Amazon. So we're going to place 4, and they are very, very thin, you guys, but they are so stinking cute. They are cute. It is looking cutesy already. All right, so the first thing we did was we placed our table runner across the table, and then we placed our round placemats on the table as well too. Now we're going to take these white shaped charger plates, and we're going to place them right there. And they fit perfectly on top of the round placemats. So I am loving the look here. I'm loving the cohesiveness, and I'm loving the balance that we're giving with the 3 colors, the blue, the yellow, and the white. So everything is in balance and everything is looking good. I think we need to slide this over just a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm trying to see what that one is so far. Okay, looks good, looks good. Now on top of the white charger plate, we're going to go ahead and come in with these blue and white pattern dinner plates. They look absolutely beautiful. And they sit perfectly inside our charger plate. And we're bringing the blue back because we got the blue on the bottom. And now we're going to bring it to the top. And as you see, everything has a pattern and a design on it. The runner has the blue and white stripes here. Then our placemat has the lemon design print. Our charger plate is a solid white because we want to break up some of the pattern. And then on top, we have the blue and white plate with a pattern on it. So far everything is meshing together. All of our elements of decor are balancing off of each other, making it look really, really good. To brighten things up a little bit, we're going to come in with these beautiful yellow sunflower napkin rings. They are beautiful. And then we're just going to use this pale yellow and white napkin, and we're just going to do the simple method of laying it down, picking it up in the middle and taking it through and laying it on the left side. And we want our sunflower to sit up. And we're going to do all four just like that. Just lay your napkin down, pick it up in the middle, and take your napkin ring and slide it through. And we're going to lay it beside our place setting with our napkin ring sunflower facing up. And we're going to do the same thing for the last two. We're going to place it down. Very simple, very easy. Pick it up in the middle. Take that point and slide the napkin ring over it. And we're going to lay it just like so. Make sure that if you're using the sunflower napkin ring that it is sitting straight up. Pick it up in the middle. You got your point here again. And we're just going to slide it here. And then we're going to place our napkin on the left side. And make sure your sunflower, if you're using this or anything that stands up, you want to make sure that it's standing straight up. And you're probably, if you're using the sunflower napkin rings, you probably want to use a thicker cloth to be able to slide it through so it don't fall down. For our drinkware, we're going to use these mason-like glasses with the top and the straw. And we're just going to place it like so. I'm liking that. And now all we need is our centerpiece right here, and we're going to be good to go. So as far as our centerpiece is concerned, we're going to use this white textured vase here and place it in the middle. Then we want to take some green stems and lay them in any direction that you want, but you want to make sure that you have coverage here. And then we also have some olive branches as well too that we're using in this arrangement. And then to add to this arrangement, because our theme is lemons, we're going to add a few of these lemon picks throughout our arrangement because we want to stick with the theme. And all I'm doing is fluffing them out a little bit by spreading the limbs out. And I did get these from Amazon as well too, guys. But I think we want to add one more. And I was wrong. We're going to add one more, I promise. This is the last time we're going to add one more. And again, I'm just spreading my limbs out and placing them in. I love the fullness. And so we're just going to fluff and straighten out to give it that full cohesive look here. And yeah, I like it. I think I want to add another one in the very top. All right, you guys, I hope you're liking this so far, and we will return with the reveal. All right, you all, thank you all so much for tuning in on today. I appreciate each and every one of you all. We are done with our table styling with our fruitmas collaboration. Y'all almost forgot what I was doing. But anyway, y'all, we are done. We are finished, and we are here at the reveal. I hope you guys enjoyed the video that I have created for you. Hopefully you can take something away from this video. So without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and get into it. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and leave me some sweet, loving, and kind comments down below. So let's go. Thank you all so much for watching, and also thank Design with Emma and Lifestyle Design with Teresa for being on yet another collaboration with me. So you guys stay tuned to see what's next. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and a sweet, loving, and kind comment down below. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.